What's up, guys? We're back again for another vlog for Tuner Empire. This vlog we're gonna be working on the Nissan GTR wide body kit, and we're gonna show you guys the process. I have the team with me here today. I have Miguel preparing the car. He's dropping it. The reason why we're doing a wrap first, so the foam that we're gonna put on doesn't stick to the car or to the paint of the original paint of the car. So we're gonna work on it, and here's the time lapse of this wrap job, and we're gonna show you guys also the foam when we put the foams on. All right, here's the time lapse for you guys. So we're done semi-wrapping this one. We don't need it perfect, so we'll show you guys here. And let me switch my camera here. Okay, it's not perfect. There's bubbles everywhere, but we don't need it perfect because we're gonna foam it anyway. We're gonna put foam on it, so it doesn't have to be perfect. This is gonna get covered with foam. And now we're gonna have to do the front side of it. Okay, and all right, we'll be back, and now we'll finish the front side of it. Then we can lay foam. The fun part, I like doing foams. All right. All right, so we are done wrapping the car. We are now ready to put foam on it. But first, before we do that, we are gonna add a solid foam, which is this one right here. We already cut some foams we're gonna use. So we're using this kind of foam first, so we can make sure that the foam, liquid foam, it will hold on its place, so it doesn't drop down on the ground. So we're gonna use this. It's a 2x2 inch foam, which is reflect to this 2-inch lip on the body line of the GTR. So we're gonna make it the same 2-inch lip also for the wide body kit that we're making, so it flows with the rest of the car, which is all 2-inch also in the front. So all right, so here's the work that we're doing, and another time lapse for you guys. All right. Alright guys, so we are now done putting the foam on it. Now we are gonna fill it out with a gut filler foam. And here's another process for you guys. If you guys seen this before, so I'm just gonna skip the process, but I will show you guys when I'm gonna start cutting the foam. Alright. All right, so we're gonna add foam. So we already shaved this one too.
They gotta be like this.
We're gonna have to add foam, and so Nathan and Miguel's gonna be doing the work, adding the foam. So here you go.
You need here, right?
Is
this the last can?
I'm just gonna speed this up. If you can hurry up, you know. That's fine. We can check that one. I guess I'm just gonna be a tripod here.
Some more on top, right?
Yeah.
Do we need more here?
Yeah.
He has the last can of foam.
So yeah.
Get the water glass.
Oh yeah, do the water thing. Water blast.
Yeah.
Right. Like that. Miguel here is putting a Tuner Empire Special Blast water. So we're gonna spray some water to make it expand bigger.
Special,
good, right?
special formula.
Actually, you need to add more here. Nate, right here.
Where?
On the top front. This area right here.
Looks like
That's good.
whipped cream.
All right, now we're at the back. I thought it's gonna be till here, mate. I think add like one layer. No one, yeah, because we're missing some like half an inch on that area. That's good. That's good.
Not yet. Are you sure? One more.
Jeez, you're making it hard to cut. You're gonna make the scratch that thing. Do one layer at a time, like bottom layer first, then spray water, mate.
No, it's just the whole layer. I'm trying to push this.
We need
Stay.
more over there, right?
Don't want to stay.
Yeah, in the bottom.
Even here?
Yes.
This is dripping down
Which one?
right there. Right here.
Don't add more. No, don't add more
Push
on
it
that.
up. Push it up.
Yeah. Use this to push it up.
So I still need to get this part, right? I'm sorry.
Where do you want me? You're messing it up.
You suck.
It's okay.
And you need to add more in the back, by the way. You have more though? Can you shake it?
I have to put it there. It's on my hand. Over here?
Yeah, fill those gaps and the top. Oh, for sure, you're missing some part here.
That's it, right?
Yeah, the bottom too, maybe.
This is still...
Man, this one runs out quick.
Alright guys, so we're done for tonight. We're gonna have to wait for it to dry up, and it's really late at night. So that's the foam. It's expanding big. Thank you to Tuner Empire Blessed Water. Okay, you know, that's a trick I learned from my friend Brian. So that's the rear. Look how wild that is. So alright, so that's it for now, and tomorrow we'll be back and for the next episode again for Tuner Empire Builds. See you guys. Thank you.